In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a video to your CEWE Photobook. In the CEWE Creator software, open up your book and select a folder under Photo Sources on the left-hand side. Once you have located your video, simply drag and drop it onto the page and add it to the book. The software will generate a film strip and QR code, and you can move and reposition this to where you would like it to be. Double-click on the film strip to make changes. Here you can set the number of frames, remove the film strip border, and edit the images shown. Simply drag and drop your chosen photos onto the film strip at the top and click OK to save the changes. You can also change how the film strip appears by selecting the masks and frames options on the left-hand side. Once you've chosen your option, just drag and drop it onto the image to apply it. Of course, if you would prefer to keep the video as a surprise, you can select the image and use the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it, leaving just a QR code on your page. And there you have it. You will now be able to scan your CEWE Photobook using a QR code reader to relive the memories captured in your video. If you don't have a QR code reader installed on your mobile, you can easily download one from the App Store or Google Play Store.